Alright amigos, so today's Saturday and yesterday, which was Friday, I started printing on these little bags, but some of these came really small and the palette that I made, these ones wouldn't fit in there. So today I made a new palette, that way the bags that didn't fit yesterday will fit onto this one. And I actually cleaned my screens, that way I could register them again, because on the ones I did yesterday it was a little bit off, and today I'm going to fix that problem, might as well. So today I'm just going to register my screens, that way tomorrow I can actually do the final prints, because right now it's already late. I came home from work too late, so yeah, so I'm just going to register today, that way tomorrow I can finish off the prints. Okay, so I finally have the print register, and tomorrow I'm going to do the final prints, because right now it's already late. We're going to continue tomorrow, which is going to be Sunday. Okay, so as you saw on the first part, when I was screen printing the first ones, I ran into a problem where basically more than half of the rest of the bags did not fit inside this palette that I made. So I had to make another one, and I think it was on Saturday I registered the screens all over again. I didn't get any printing yesterday on Sunday, but today I'm finally going to finish the rest of them. So again, I'm going to explain what happened on part 1 when I was screen printing the first bags for this palette. It kind of snapped. It was already getting snapped when I placed the screws on here, and when I would actually print, since I was basically putting too much pressure here, it began to snap more. But I decided to put this piece of wood under here, that way I won't risk snapping this thing again. That way I don't have to worry about moving too much and causing a issue when printing both colors. So yeah, so let's finish this already. Alright, for the rest of the bags, I wasn't really sure if to go with just white or use white and red. So I'm going to do half with just one color and the rest of them with 2 colors. Okay guys, so I'm done. And as you can see, I did basically half 2 colors and the other half just 1 color. Let me know which one you think looks better, with just 1 color or with 2 colors. Here's my final print. Sorry for the not so good focus. And again, like I mentioned, that little spot right there is when I was trying to cover the pinholes. I was covering it with a little toothpick and a drop went right here where the red should be. So that's why it got blocked out. But other than that, it's not that bad, is it? The registration is pretty good. So much for not having any micros, just my little hand gestures. Alright, so the other thing left to do now is place the straws in each single bag. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Here. Look at my brushes. My little daughter helping me. Okay, amigos. So I finally got done packaging all of my bags with my straws. So this is basically the setup I'm going to be selling here locally. It's 3 stainless steel straws with the brush and the bag. And it's going to be a good way for me to, one, make some extra money by selling these here, and at the same time, a way to promote my print shop with my logo on here. And I'm going to be selling, again, I'm going to be selling these by myself, not by myself, some by myself. And I'm also thinking about handing out this to other people and tell them if they want to sell them, I'll give them a cut. That way I can sell them faster. But yeah, so I'm going to give all my best to sell all of these. So my next video is going to be the follow-up on how my little hustle is going. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, and like my Facebook page, just so you can be updated of how my little business is going. But in the meantime, amigos, I'm out.